fix Google Chrome sync is not working. Hello everyone, I am here to guide you how you can fix your Chrome browser sync is not working. So if your Chrome browser sync is not working, you have to try this step to troubleshoot this issue. First of all, you have to ensure that first step is that check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection connected on your device. Also, you can try switching between your mobile data or Wi-Fi. After that, you can open up your Google Chrome. Once you are on your Google Chrome, you have to click on the profile picture, which is on the top right corner of the screen. Once you are here, you have to just scroll down or go for your profile here. And scroll down and tap on the sign out option, or you can select your sign out option. Once you are signed out, here you can sign back in with your Google account. Just sign in here and go and choose your Google account and sign in back. After that, you can check the sync setting. You have to go to your setting. Here, once you are on your setting, or you can go and tap on the three dot and just go for your setting. Once you are on your setting, you have to click on the U and Google, here Google services here. And after that, you have to enable all this option here, and also you can go for your here, and in your Google account, you have to enable this all tab here. After that, you can go back and you can update your Google Chrome. Just tap on the Google Play Store and go for the search bar. Once you are on your search bar, you have to search for the Google Chrome. And if there is any update available, then you have to update your Google Chrome app. After that, you can go back and you can try the clear browsing the data. You have to just go to your Google Chrome and tap on the setting option. Once you are on your setting, you have to go for the privacy and security. Once you are on your privacy and security, you can clear the browsing data. You can go for the delete your browsing data and tap on the delete your browsing data and go for the delete option. So the Chrome will automatically check for the update and install them if available. And also you can select the cache image and files here. You can also go for the clear data if this is available. Here you can simply see that you can clear the images and files, browsing data here. Just go for the delete option. After this, you can also reset the Chrome setting. You have to just go back, and once you are here, you have to select on the advanced option. You have to just go back and tap on the setting option. Once you are on your setting option, you can go for the advanced option here. Just look for the advanced option. Once you are on your advanced option here, you can go for the reset and clean up. So if there is any reset and clean up, you have to just go for that. And also you can select the restore setting to the original setting here. So if none of this above step work, you can uninstall and reinstall the Chrome on your device. Just go and navigate to your Play Store and just uninstall your Google Chrome and install this on your device. After trying this step, you have to check if sync is working properly again or not. So this is the step how you can fix your Chrome browser sync is not working. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.